Welcome back, everybody, to the Ranger 363V restoration. Today we're going to continue lightening up the boat. We're going to take as much as we can off of the boat and off of the trailer to get it as light as possible so we can lift it up into the air and take it off the trailer. So without further ado, let's get into it. All that I'm doing here, guys, is removing anything that is non-essential to the boat or something that I would be worried about damaging, like the windshields or these little grab handles. It's all about lightening up the boat and protecting things so I don't have to spend any more money than is necessary to repair this boat. So here's everything that we got out of the boat: locker lids, trim pieces, windshields, everything I could get my hands on. I got it out of the boat. These are little tie downs I thought were pretty cool. The trim grab handles. There's a bucket full of all the nuts and bolts, and then all the seats are out. And now this is what the boat looks like with pretty much everything taken out. Still need to take out the trolling motor, but we're going to do that later on. So we're going to take a little side step and we're going to work a little bit on the trailer and then hop right back to the boat. It always seems to be one little bolt out the whole operation. Here I am messing around with another bolt yet again, and every 20-minute job is one broken bolt away from becoming a 3-day ordeal. Always remember that, guys. Guys, I'm so excited to finally have everything out of the boat. As you can see, that's the original color of this boat, not pink. I do have some issues here around these holes, but nothing that I can't fix later on down the road. But there she is, all empty, and I'm so happy. The bones are really good in this boat. I'm not having any issues with the floor cracking or any dry rot in the floors. It's a very stable flooring in this boat. I'm so excited about that. As you can see, we took all the batteries out except for the cranking battery in case we need to try to turn the motor over or trim it up and down, little things like that. The guts of the boat, they do need a little bit of work. We need to replace a bilge pump, and the live well shutoff valves are stuck. I'm pretty sure you know, just from being left closed or open, they're just kind of gunked up. So we're going to work on that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, click the little like button below and subscribe. Next week's video is going to be awesome. We're lifting the boat off the trailer and getting the motor off of the boat. So here's a little preview for next week. You're not going to want to miss out.
Hey,